If you're looking to purchase a gift card, go to our shop at Sauerpuss and Friends. For each of your purchases, a small portion of the proceeds goes to supporting our mission of fostering creativity and innovation in children of all ages. Thank you for considering our shop for your next gift card purchase. Hoo-hoo-hoo! And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative!
And welcome back to another episode of Creative Cats with me, Sauerpuss. So if you're ready, we are going to draw a graphic kitty cat. All you need today is a black marker or a pencil. You can find today's drawing on sourpussandfriends.com in the Activities section under Printables. And if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
There are so many ways to draw kitty cats. Today, I will begin by drawing the kitty cat's nose and mouth. Notice that my noses for kitty cats always are soft-looking triangles. Next, I will draw two little happy eyes, and these eyes I create by drawing simple curved lines with dots on each line. Also, I will draw dots to indicate where the kitty cat's whiskers are, as well as draw our kitty cat a tongue. Next, I will draw the kitty cat's head, including the kitty cat's ears. This little kitty cat is a happy kitty cat with a nice fluffy face. We will draw this kitty cat to be cuddled up on a nice comfy rug. And to show this, I will have the kitty cat's head resting on the kitty cat's paws. Here are the front two paws of the kitty cat, and I will also put the kitty cat's tail in the front to look like it is wrapped around the kitty cat. The tail will go around like this, and then I will continue with the back of the kitty cat's body. I will also need to draw the kitty cat's hind leg tucked in behind the tail as well, like this. And now I will add in a few more details to the kitty cat. I will add lines to indicate the paws on the kitty, like this. And next I will add stripes to our kitty cat. When you draw your kitty cat, you can use your imagination and draw all sorts of creative patterns and designs on your kitty. I will also add some stripes on the kitty cat's tail, legs, and head. And let's also finish up our ears for this kitty. Let's give this kitty cat little hairs in the ears. Oh, and I'll add a couple more stripes on the top of the kitty cat's head. Here we have our cute little kitty cat. And now let's draw the rug that our kitty cat is resting on. This will be a soft little rug with a little pattern on it. It should look a little fluffy. You will notice that the lines I am drawing are a little bit jittery or rough looking. I like to have my drawings have a natural quality to them. Now that we have the rug drawn, we are going to create a graphic border around our kitty cat. Here, once again, you can use your imagination to design the kind of border and graphics that you would like to. I will draw 2 frames around my kitty cat to make a thick border. And in this border, I will create a unique design. I will begin by drawing little heart shapes in each corner. That's because I love kitty cats.
I love heart shapes.
And next, I will draw my way around the border, making all sorts of interesting creative shapes, as well as some kitty cat messages. Take a look at all the different shapes and ideas that I draw in the border. How many can you see? Meow. Meow. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. And here we have our completed border. I wonder what creative ideas you'll come up with when you draw your kitty cat border. And to finish off our designer kitty cat, we will add a wavy background pattern. I sure have enjoyed designing and drawing this kitty cat.
What a cute drawing. Meow, meow. Here, kitty, kitty.
As always, remember, you can go to sourpussandfriends.com to the activities section under printables. There you will find this little kitty cat for you to color in.
Woohoo! That's fun.
So now let's take a look at how I've colored in this drawing. I used Adobe Photoshop to explore different colors and to come up with this creative design. As you can see, I explored all different colors for the different parts of this drawing. This drawing would be nice to print out and use as a gift or greeting card. You can find the drawing that I colored in our Sourpuss and Friends shop. There, you can download it and print it out as a greeting card. I sure hope you've enjoyed this month of drawing creative cats with me, Sourpuss. See you next time, and remember to
Be
Thank you to all of our new subscribers. Meow, 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 meow.
Be sure to visit us at sourpussandfriends.com today. See you next time.